Lifetime after lifetime, self-sabotage, self-mutilate, and self-murder. Why? Why? You don't want to hurt them? You don't want to hurt them? Every fucking day, they dance and rejoice in hurting you. They know who you are. They know you're fucking God. So either you own yourself, start living for you, doing your fucking art, creations, recreating the new earth. You are the power. Stop abusing yourself, because this lifetime, this is it. You are billions of years traveling, time after time, and you still spoil these children. You still spoil them. You have blanked your mind. You have blanked your soul from the spirit world, so you don't see the truth. But you cannot hide from the truth, for you are truth. You are time. You are eternity. Stop fucking around. Get your shit together. This is the last warning from Mother Earth. After November, you will lose it all.